Learn English with us.
English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Us podcast.
Hi, everyone, I'm John, and we're excited to have you here. Whether you're learning English, for work, travel, school, or everyday life, this podcast is made just for you.
If you want to improve your English speaking, listening, vocabulary, and pronunciation, subscribe to our channel and join us for our 10-day English learning challenge.
Every day, we'll help you learn English naturally through simple conversations, practical examples, and speaking exercises that you can use in real life.
Today is day 3 of our challenge, and today's topic is, tell me about yourself. Learning how to introduce yourself is one of the most important English skills. You'll use it when meeting new people, making friends, attending interviews, or starting conversations.
So, don't just listen, speak with us, repeat after us. And most importantly, enjoy the learning process.
Are you ready to introduce yourself confidently in English?
Let's get started.
John, do you remember the first time someone asked you to introduce yourself in English?
Oh yes, I was very nervous. I knew some English words, but I didn't know how to put them together. When my teacher asked, "Tell me about yourself," I stayed silent for a few seconds.
That's normal. Many English learners feel the same way. What happened next?
I took a deep breath and said, "Hello, my name is John. I am 25 years old." It wasn't perfect, but everyone smiled. After that, I became more confident.
That's a great lesson. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need the courage to start speaking. Every introduction is a chance to improve. Let's learn some useful words for introducing yourself.
Repeat after me. Name, first name, last name, age, country, city, family, student, teacher, engineer, designer, doctor, job, hobby, travel, music, reading, cooking, sports, friendly, kind, hard-working, confident, dream, goal, future. Excellent. Let's repeat them one more time.
Now let's make simple sentences. Repeat after us.
Hello, my name is John.
Nice to meet you, John.
I am 26 years old. I live in Canada. I am a university student. My hobbies are reading books and playing football. I want to speak English fluently. It is nice to meet you, Sarah.
Very good, John. Now, let's listen to a conversation. Hi, my name is Sarah. What's your name?
Hello, Sarah. My name is John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Australia. What do you do?
I'm a software engineer. I enjoy my job because I solve problems every day. What about you?
I'm an English teacher. I love helping people learn English.
That's wonderful. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading books, traveling, and listening to music. What about you?
I like playing basketball, watching movies, and learning new languages.
That's great. Why are you learning English?
Because I want to travel, make new friends, and improve my career. How about you?
I love communicating with people from different countries. English helps me connect with the world.
That's true. Learning English opens many doors.
Now let's learn some useful expressions. Repeat after us.
My name is. I am. I come from. I work as. I study at. I enjoy. My hobbies are. My goal is. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for asking.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions aloud. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Why are you learning English? Excellent. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Remember, everyone starts as a beginner. Even fluent English speakers once learned their first English sentence.
Don't worry about making mistakes.
Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Most importantly, keep speaking. Confidence doesn't come before practice. Confidence comes because of practice.
Every conversation makes you better. Every sentence brings you one step closer to fluency. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Congratulations. You've completed day 3 of our 10-day English learning challenge.
We'll be back with day 4 and another exciting English lesson to help you speak more naturally.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in the comments using English. Tell us your name, where you're from, what you do, and one of your hobbies. We'll be reading your comments.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in day 4.
Bye.
Bye. Keep practicing English every day.
day.